Welcome to our exploration of a mind-bending scenario. What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? In this video, we'll delve into the science behind this global disaster, beginning with the basics of Earth's rotation and the immediate chaos it would unleash. From the altered dynamics of gravity and weight to the transformative effects on day and night, we'll uncover how our planet and its climate would react. Join us as we paint a picture of a world thrown into turmoil and examine the survival strategies of human civilization in this hypothetical catastrophe. 1. The basics. Understanding Earth's rotation. Earth's rotation is the invisible hand that influences many aspects of our daily lives. It takes about 24 hours for Earth to complete one full spin around its axis. This rotation is why we experience day and night. Think of Earth as a massive spinning ball, with the equator moving at a speed of about 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,040 miles per hour. It's this motion that creates the centrifugal force, slightly flattening the planet at the poles and bulging at the equator. If this spinning were to stop, everything not anchored to the ground would be flung eastward due to inertia. Imagine a car suddenly braking at high speed. Passengers would lurch forward, and that's similar to what would happen to everything on Earth. 2. The immediate effects. Chaos and catastrophe. If Earth stopped spinning suddenly, the consequences would be catastrophic. The atmosphere would continue moving at the planet's original speed, causing unimaginable wind speeds. This would result in massive storms and hurricanes, capable of flattening cities and landscapes. The oceans would also be affected, with water rushing towards the poles due to inertia. This would lead to severe flooding in high-latitude regions and expose the equator, potentially creating vast new landmasses. The sudden redistribution of water would also shift tectonic plates, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions worldwide. The sheer force and chaos would be unlike anything humanity has ever faced. 3. The impact on gravity and weight. One might wonder if gravity would change if Earth stopped spinning. Gravity, as we know, is a constant force, but the Earth's rotation slightly affects how it acts on us. Currently, the centrifugal force due to Earth's spin counteracts gravity a tiny bit, especially at the equator. Without this spin, people and objects would feel slightly heavier. It may not seem like much, but this change in weight could have significant implications for ecosystems and human infrastructure, particularly affecting tall buildings and bridges that are engineered with current gravitational forces in mind. 4. Day and night. A new reality. The concept of day and night would transform dramatically. With no rotation, one side of the Earth would be in perpetual daylight while the other would be cloaked in eternal darkness. This uneven distribution of sunlight would wreak havoc on global climates. The sunlit side would become unbearably hot, scorching the land and making it uninhabitable. Meanwhile, the dark side would plunge into freezing temperatures, creating an icy wasteland. The drastic temperature differences would make it nearly impossible for life to adapt, leading to widespread extinction of species unable to survive these extreme conditions. 5. Climate chaos. A world of extremes. The alteration of Earth's rotation would fundamentally change weather patterns and climates. The absence of the Coriolis effect, which is responsible for the movement of trade winds and ocean currents, would disrupt the climate systems. The redistribution of heat would create new weather patterns, with some areas experiencing constant storms and others being subjected to droughts. This new climate reality would challenge the survival of plants and animals, many of which are adapted to specific climate conditions. The food chain would be disrupted, causing a ripple effect across ecosystems. 6. Human civilization. Survival and adaptation. Human civilization would face unprecedented challenges if Earth stopped spinning. Infrastructure, agriculture, and daily life would need to adapt to the new environmental conditions. Crops that rely on specific climates would fail, leading to food shortages and famine. Communities might be forced to migrate to more hospitable areas, leading to potential conflicts over resources. Technology and innovation would play crucial roles in helping humanity adapt, but the road to survival would be fraught with obstacles. The resilience and ingenuity of human beings would be tested like never before. 7. The magnetic field. A weakened shield. Earth's rotation contributes to the generation of its magnetic field, which acts as a shield against harmful solar radiation. If the planet stopped spinning, this magnetic field could weaken or even collapse. Without this protection, life on Earth would be exposed to increased levels of solar and cosmic radiation, posing significant health risks to living organisms. The loss of this shield would have detrimental effects on technology and communication systems, which rely on the magnetic field for stability. 8. Conclusion. A hypothetical catastrophe. In summary, the cessation of Earth's rotation would result in a global disaster of unimaginable proportions. From atmospheric chaos to climate extremes and threats to life itself, the consequences would be dire. While this scenario remains a hypothetical thought experiment, it serves as a stark reminder of the intricate balance that sustains life on our planet. Understanding the science behind such possibilities helps us appreciate the forces at play in keeping Earth the vibrant and dynamic world it is today.